Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of making your prop firm trading experience smoother and more efficient, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can trade prop firms directly on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only understand which prop firms integrate seamlessly with TradingView, but also some clever workarounds if your favorite firm isn't quite there yet. So let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about selecting prop firms that actually offer direct TradingView integration. This is honestly a game changer. Instead of toggling back and forth between multiple platforms, you can analyze the markets and execute your trades all within the comfortable, familiar environment of TradingView. For example, firms like TradingView have led the way here by offering full integration through brokers like 8cap. What does this mean for you in practical terms? It means once you connect everything, placing a live trade feels almost as effortless as placing a demo one. It's truly seamless. You see a setup, hit buy or sell, and boom, your order is executed via your prop firm account. Another great example is FunderPro. They use their own proprietary platform called TradeLocker. What's cool about FunderPro's setup is that TradeLocker is embedded right into your TradingView charts. This integration makes one-click trades possible directly from the chart layout you know and love. It's sort of like having your own cockpit where every tool you need is right within arm's reach. No tab switching, no copy-pasting, it's all there for you. And for those of you who trade futures, Apex Trader Funding is worth checking out. Apex works a little differently. You can use TradingView's robust charting for your analysis, but when it comes time to execute trades, you'll do that through platforms like NinjaTrader or Algorithmic, both of which can be linked back to your TradingView account. So here again, it's about minimizing the friction and making sure the process fits your workflow. Now, maybe you're asking, what if my prop firm doesn't support direct integration with TradingView? Don't worry, you've still got plenty of options. Lots of traders use what are called trade copier tools. These are basically like trusty assistants that take signals or alerts you've set up on TradingView and automatically send those trades to your prop firm's platform. Here's a quick idea of how that usually works. You might set up a demo account with a broker like OANDA just to manage your TradingView trades, and then use a third-party tool, maybe something like Traders Connect or Pick My Trade, that acts as a bridge, copying every trade you make on the demo account and executing it on your real prop firm account. It does take a few steps to set up, and there might be a bit of a learning curve at the very start, but once you've got it running, it can really streamline your trading, saving you clicks and preventing missed entries. I also want to share some real-world feedback from other traders, because personal experiences can really highlight those little details you might not catch from official documentation. For example, I saw a post where someone explained that by registering with the TradingView platform, they could actually log into TradingView and execute trades directly, a great little tip for futures traders. On the other hand, some traders mention that while the integration works, they sometimes miss features like convenient stop-loss or take-profit sliders, or instant order modifications like you get with TradingView's paper trading mode. So just a heads up, depending on your specific platform or prop firm, you might encounter a quirk or two, but overall, the convenience often outweighs these minor trade-offs. Alright, that wraps up this breakdown on trading prop firms directly on TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to share your own experience with TradingView prop firm integrations. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks as always for watching and happy trading.